The twin trading risk minimization technique is based on opening n number of trades, each one n sizes. For instance, suppose you open a trade to buy a lot of one size, but if you open 2 trades to buy 2 lots of 0.5 sizes or 4 trades of 0.25 sizes instead of 1 trade of one size, then it will be twin trading. The main reason behind opening several trades of equal smaller lot sizes instead of 1 trade of the size of the entire lot is to combat uncertainty in Forex trading. In fact, the Forex market is very uncertain. So, while making a decision about Forex trading, Forex traders that use the technique of twin trading are considered smart in this market. Therefore, twin trading is used by the Forex traders for getting 2 things: locking profits and minimizing risks. Do not forget to subscribe.
Hello traders, this is Igor from FX Igor YouTube channel, and today we will talk about twin trading. So, twin trading risk minimization technique is based on opening n number of trades, each 1/n sizes. So, what that means? So, twin trading is very simple. It's just the splitting of your trades. So, if you trade, for example, with 1 lot, you can split your trade as 5 times 2 microlots, because 5 times 2 microlots is 1 lot. And then, using 5 trades, you can create some strategy for trading. But how I can apply this in real trading? Today, I will just share my trading strategy for NFP report today, and I will show how I'm using twin trading in practice. So let me see. Today, like I said, is NFP report. I need to create my trading strategy. First, I want to see what is the positive and what is the negative impact. Let me see positive impact. Positive impact is that previous non-farm payrolls was better than expected. The second one, challenger job cuts, was excellent because continued downtrend from the peak set from the April. Then initial jobless claims are better because the last 4 weeks we have the lowest figures in the pandemic outbreak. Then continuing jobless claims are much better because we can see climate's downtrend and falling below 6 million for the first time since the COVID-19 health and economy activity. And I want to add one thing, that ACM services PMI, that employment subindex in the US main service survey, hasn't changed 3 consecutive months in positive territory, registering 51.5 in November. So this is it. This is the 5 excellent things about non-farm payroll this for December 2020. But of course, as a trader, you need to analyze the negative impact. Let me see that. The negative impact that ACM manufacturing PMI is bad because retraced back below 50. The University of Michigan Consumer Confidence Index showed that we have fell sharply from 81.8 to 76.9. Then we have a Conference Board Consumer Confidence Index and registered its second consecutive month of retracement. Then negative thing that ADP employment report, we have a private sector employment just added 307k jobs in November, and so on and so on. But what I know is in the December, we have the month of the gifts. Well, I think that it will be much better month than November. We will have increased that kind of spending, but the spending was the biggest problem. Right now, I know that spending will not be the crucial problem in December, and I think that positive results we can see now, just now in the beginning of December. And this is not all. I see the mixed results. I think that US dollar will go maybe a little bit down or be break even. I don't expect that US dollar economy just go excellent, some crazy spike. I expect mixed results. So my trading strategy is to follow technical analysis today and to believe that fundamental analysis will not create huge spikes. So let me see technical analysis and my trading plan. My trading plan today is to trade a Aussie dollar because Aussie is in very good shape. They don't have a problem with COVID-19 as other countries. They have a very good report right now. US economy is not in excellent shape. It was some mixed results, and I hope that Aussie dollar will continue bullish trend because already we have a bullish trend. So what I want to do, I want to create some Fibonacci levels. I found December 2nd low, and I find December 3 high, and between those levels I set Fibonacci levels. I want to trade on Fibonacci levels. So right now I just created one trade, and then I plan to create one trade on 38.2 Fibonacci level and one trade on 50 Fibonacci level. Then I want to create another pending order. If we see highest high above yesterday's high, it's a 74.05 price level, and another one, because I want to create 5 trades, I will keep for myself after the news. Maybe I want to create another shot after the news. And of course all these pending trades will be closed if I see some crazy news during the NFP report. So if I see anything crazy, I will close all my trades. And of course, I will create some pending order or some order, like I said, when R is finished after NFP report. And this is my trading plan. So let me see twin trading execution example. Right now, we are on the live chart, and right now I will create a trade. So the first thing, what I do, if I will create 2 mini lots at price, like I said, 38.2 Fibonacci level, it's around, it's a buy limit order, just to set that, and it's a price 0.741. I will put a stop loss. It was a previous low, and I will just take empty take profit, and later I will set profit based on the Fibonacci expansion levels. I created that. Now I want to create another pending order. It's a twin trade. Like I said, it's a twin trade, and it will be around the 50 Fibonacci level. So it's a buy limit, and it's about 0.74. I will put stop loss, and I will just put take profit empty, and later I will set that. So I created, right now I have a 3 orders, and most important thing that I plan one pending order. If I see, it will be buy stop order at 0.745. And this is it. My plan is done. I just created order, I just set everything, and I will wait to see later results. But the purpose of this video is not will I create profit or not. The purpose is just to show how I build position from several trades. So you can trade one lot trade, for example, or you can trade 5 times 2 mini lots to get 1 mini lot. So this is the just idea for twin trading and how twin trading can be used in practical trading. So I wish you a good day and bye bye.